In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar app or tab to Facebook. This process allows you to share your Google Calendar with friends, family, or colleagues easily through your Facebook profile. It's a straightforward method, and I'll guide you through each step so you'll have your calendar shared in no time. Let's start with making your Google Calendar public, since this is key to sharing it on Facebook. To do that, head over to your Google Calendar on a desktop. Once you're there, look for the settings icon, which is typically in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it, and then you'll want to select the calendar you wish to make public from the left-hand menu. After selecting your desired calendar, scroll down to the Access Permissions section. Here you'll find an option labeled Make Available to Public. Check this box, and your calendar is ready to be shared with anyone who has a link. Now that your calendar is public, the next step is to access the public URL or the embed code for your Google Calendar. You can find this again within the settings of your specific calendar under the Integrate Calendar section. The public URL is often the simplest way to share, but the embed code is handy if you plan to add it to a website or want to customize the appearance further. For Facebook, though, the public URL will work perfectly. With the URL in hand, let's move on to sharing it on Facebook. Head over to your Facebook profile or page where you want to share your calendar. You can simply paste this URL into a new post. Type in some context or an inviting message like check out our upcoming events, and then paste the public URL into the post content. Once you share it, any of your Facebook friends will be able to click on the link and view your calendar in their web browsers. They'll see your calendar exactly how you've set it up in Google Calendar. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now accessible through Facebook, enabling you to keep everyone in the loop with your schedule. Remember, if you ever want to stop sharing, just go back to the access permissions in your Google Calendar settings and uncheck that Make Available to Public box. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized and connected with your network. Happy sharing!